What's up, Minitruck? Got some work for you. This one's a little low too. Yeah. See if this still works. Wow, they don't even sell these anymore. They got oil in there. Oh yeah, it's full.
It's like 7 years old at this point.
Minitruck's gonna get put to work.
Where are we gonna bring the wood?
I'll just dump it over the bank, cut it into manageable sizes. You know, because it's all dead wood. How you think Mini's gonna start up?
Yep.
I got that primer now, it'll probably start right up from sitting all winter. I get the battery disconnect off, so should have a good battery. Tires are getting worn down, Mini. Turn the battery on, choke it, prime it. Wow, that primer works.
Yeah, started right up.
You just touch that primer, just tap it.
Just tap it.
The old school fuel injection used to have an enrichment circuit, and I wish I could find one of those, but they were so much money. I just bought a 12-volt solenoid and put like a really, really small jet, but it's still too big, so you gotta just tap it.
Give it a little tap, 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 tap a roof.
To flood it.
Oh yeah, it'll flood it. The thing fired right off, huh?
Quicker than the last time I remember.
Better than even when I didn't have the supercharger. All right, let's roll, Mini. Still in four-wheel low, so. Clutch is so soft. Go, Mini, go. Mini runs good still. Pretty rotten. I guess we could leave that back open.
The wind blew it. It picked it up.
No wonder it fell over.
Yeah.
Jeez, like balsa wood. Next. See if it dumps still. Yeah, I don't know why it sticks like that. Still stuff in there too. Mini's still running good.
Supercharger.
Yeah, pretty good load.
That's what she said.
Can't get in my door.
Got him.
Slow going. Thanks, Minitruck.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.